Hello, Yash. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good, Yash. Thank you for asking. So, how is your day? Good. So, yes, tell me quickly what we have learned yesterday. We have learned rabbit game. Very good. So, yes, today, any guess what we will learn today? We will learn today pop the balloon game. Which game? Pop the balloon game. So, let's write the game name. Pop the balloon game. Pop the balloon game. Okay, yes. So, what is in pop the balloon game? When we will touch the game, touch the balloon. When we will touch the balloon, my balloon will hide. My balloon will hide. Okay. And when my balloon will hide, my score will also increase by 1. How much? My score will increase by 1. And one sound will come. What will come? Sound will come. Pop. Which sound? Pop. Okay. And my next balloon, when my balloon will burst, a next balloon will come, and that balloon color will change. What will change? Color effect will change. So, yes, now tell me two things. Suppose you are playing a game today, okay, and your score is 40, okay, and you are opening the same game tomorrow. What will be the score? It will start from 0 or it will start from 40. Yes, it will start from 0. Nice. So my second question is yes. In which category change color effect by block is? Looks, motion, sound, where? Looks. Let's see on looks. Yes, change color effect by 25%. Looks. Very good, yes. So yes, to do a balloon game, pop the balloon game, the first ever thing we have to take is a sprite. A sprite. Which sprite will take? Balloon. See, balloon is there, but we have to search there. If you want, take from there on. Balloon is there. Now I want a beautiful backdrop. Which one will take? Blue sky? Yes, we'll take a blue sky. Very good. So now yes, tell me quickly the first ever block in any project, any game is yes, very good. When green flag click. Which block? When green flag click. So now yes, tell me second block after green flag, what will take? Now we want to make one score block. Which block? Score. When I will click to the green flag, my game will start and my score will start from how much? 0. Very good. So we will go to variable. I want to make one score variable. So make a list or make a variable. Yes, make a variable. Name score. Very good. Okay. Now score variable is there. Hooray. So now I want to set my score to 0. Okay. So take set in variable. Like rabbit game, you remember? Set score to 0. How much? 0. My score is set to 0. Whenever we will start the game, my score will start from 0. Very good. So now we want to play my game. We want to play our game now. So we want that our game will start and it will not stop. It will start but it will not stop. So which block we'll use? It will happen continuously. Very good. We'll go to control and which block? Forever or repeat. We want to play the game continuously, not a sometime like 10 or 20. So which block? Forever. Very good. So inside forever block, which block will take? Tell me. Okay, tell me one thing. When I will click to the balloon, my balloon will disappear or burst. Boom. So which block will take? Second block? Second block name will be, tell me. Go to events. Then when this sprite is clicked, when I will click this sprite, then my balloon will burst. So which 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 one will take? Hide. Very good. Hide. Show. Then hide. Show hide. Show hide. So this is our hide block. When this is sprite clicked, then which block will start hide? Now after hide, I want what I want. A play. A sound will play. Okay. So which sound will play? Pop. Pop, 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 like that. Okay. So now when hide is done, play sound pop is done. Now I want to change my score by one. I want to change my score by one. So where will go? Very well. Very good. And then change or set. Change. Good. Change what? Score. Change score is done. Now my when I will click to the sprite, my sprite will hide, a sound will come, and my score will change by one. So now yes, tell me, my balloon is hiding, okay, bursting. Now I want my balloon will come back. Come back also, no? Which block will take? Inside forever? Very good. We will take which one? Show. Yes. We will take show. And show is there. Now, which block we want? When we will test the balloon, my balloon will burst and it will go to some random positions. Which positions? Yes, random positions. So where it is? Motion? Yes, it is in motion. Go to random position. Okay. So let's choose this. When I will click to the balloon, my balloon will hide. Then it will show. Then it will go to a random position. And I want my balloon will wait for 1 second, minimum 1 second. Okay. So where is 1 second block? Yes. Yes, control. Very good. So wait 1 second, okay? Now I want yes, some beautiful balloons will appear. Correct, color. Color is where looks. Let's see, looks. Change color effect by 25. Yes, it is there. So make it 60. Okay, 60. Now everything is done. Yes. Any question? Okay, so why we are taking go to random position? Random position means yes, we have used this block now. Yes, random position means it will go to some random positions like here, there, and all. Okay, good. So now we will play our game. Yes. Now let's do full screen. Then play our game, and when I will click to the balloon, my balloon is pop bursting, and my score is increasing by one. Hip hip. One. Ha. We have two.